Hey there guys, it's Random Back 6-Bit. Today we're going to play... Well, Bert, where you going? Anyway, we're going to do another World's Strongest Engine. So, stay tuned after a long time. Now, anyway, I've got my track set. I've already got my players, the ones playing. Well, you can see Thomas, Samson, Soy and Arthur here. But with me, Iron Bert. Who should he be facing? But how about Thomas? I'm gonna just pick random. Okay. Bert's ready. And now Thomas. Go. Iron Bert wins. Wow. I mean, that would really hurt. Thomas, you know, this isn't actually Thomas. This is oh, that's the... Oh, really? That is the mask that looks like the mask thing that Leo Kim video got. And, you know, the mask thing Leo Kim video got. I really like this pick. I'm going to take a pick because I like it now. I tell you what. That looks like the popping candy thing. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm just gonna. That's my prediction with the mask in it. Well, the video had. Good job, Iron Bert. Anyway, we have Salty now, and I don't know why, but no, Samson is going to be facing Salty. Said, oh, he didn't even start out. So Salty has to knock him out. Wow. What a demolition. That was a real demolition there. Samson loses. Anyway, let's go to the next match. This time we're going to face the strongest engine is between Iron Bert and Salty. Oh. Well, Harry's going to show you right now. And I think Iron Bert wins. Yeah, definitely. Salty's on his side, but anyway, he just lost. But before I leave, I'm going to show you something. You know, say we can see truck, a piece of truck for tomorrow's video, or maybe today, or if I want. And Harry's right there, and Iron Harry's right there, and he's already in his own soda or ironworks. He's pretty much preparing. He hasn't really trained well, and is under construction in the steamworks and ironworks or whatever. Anyway, I'm just gonna. He will come eventually. So next, I'm gonna try. It's gonna happen again. Arthur's racing next. This time, he's also gonna face Bert. Oh, here goes. Oh, what was that? Oh, I'm not sure what happened there. Oh, I think Bert. I don't know. I don't even know. I really don't even know. I didn't even see close. Oh, God, I can't even post the video because I'm not editing it. It's a long video. Let's try it from the other side. Well, the reason is, he's out of battery. So he can't move. Let's see what happens when he's charged. Oh, Bert. Well, he's okay. That's cool. You know, let's try the other side. Come on, Bert. Defeat him. Oh, yes, he has. Claim victory. Like, yeah! No! Okay, sorry if I needed to yell like that, but... Anyways, I'm older now. I'm going to be going to newcomer, Henry. Oh, Henry's a pretty good choice. He's going to be going there. Because I have no place to put him. And the other newcomer, Gordon. Different though. Go. None of them even started. Thomas. Knock out one of them. Is he going to knock out Henry? Or is he going to knock out Gordon? We'll find out right now. Henry or Gordon? Henry or Gordon? It's picked Gordon to be out. Wow. Henry is the winner. Interesting. So I'm going to retry Samson. And this time, he's facing Henry. Oh, God. This is not... He's either going to knock out Samson or Henry. Who will he select to knock out? Samson or... Henry is out. Samson wins. Very well done, Samson. Anyway, the next match is Iron Bert versus Thomas again. Bert's ahead. Oh wait. No more. Has Thomas won? Yes, he has. I can't really put him off the edge, but, you know, Thomas wins. Okay. Anyway, look, I'm going to do something else. And Iron Bert's race again. Well, I think it's time to advocate the evil Iron Harry. He's coming ahead. Okay, he's incredibly quick. Oh, it's close. Doing all it. Oh, God. Oh, I don't know. 101 points to each one. Oh, my God. They're both doing so strong. You know. Come on, they're both brothers, right? They're brothers, right? Really? Oh, God. This is so close. Oh, Bert might have the advantage there. I think it could be a draw. But wait, here comes Arthur. He's going to ruin the race up. Oh! He's managed to put Bert farther. Harry's losing. And there he goes. Harry lost. Wow. Too bad, Harry. I think it's time to go back to... Wait, no. Don't go. You're on the rails. Oh, anyway. Fine, you lost. Go back to your lair where you belong. Anyway, you will come back eventually. The next, Arthur's going next against Samson. Samson can't start. So I think Arthur wins. Yeah, he did. Anyway, yeah, Arthur wins. Well done, Arthur. He's going to be facing Bert in the next round. See who's the strongest. Oh! He tried to knock him out, but he weren't strong enough. Good job, Iron Bert. You might be confused for a second. You might think that might be Harry. But no. Look, Bert. It says Bert 1292 WC R9218 R9218. Cool. Yeah, that is, and it says, bringing him. And Harry has the same, but he hasn't got, you know what I'm talking about? He hasn't really got any other area in there. Anyway, either way though, I think it's time to re-advance the evil Iron Harry. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be the same match as before. Well, I mean, they're both brothers, pretty much evil, but Bert is the boss. Harry is the villain this episode. Bert wins. Well done, Bert. Unlucky Harry. Yeah. Anyway, Harry, it's time to go now. Wait, no, you're not on the rails, mate. Stop, whatever. Really hurt me. Anyway, I think it's time to have a strong test. No, not right now. But I think it's time to face someone else. And who's he facing next? Well, Bert is again. Wow. He keeps winning. He's a strong guy. Anyway, I'm going to save it for part 2 anyway, because, you know, it's near late, so I'm going to see ya in peace, boy.